Fugitive in hiding and disgraced ex-Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alex Guo just had her birth certificate nullified. So says the country's chief statistician in today's proposed budget deliberations of the Department of Economic Planning and Development before the Senate Finance Committee. Despite the good news, PSA Chief and Undersecretary Dennis Mapa said there are more fraudulently and maliciously produced birth certificates identical or similar to just voided one from Alex Guo, which have yet to be found.
Recently po, yung certificate of live birth ni Alice Guo was declared void by the RTC 3rd Judicial Region Branch 111 Tarlac City last 24th September. So this is a good news for the Philippine government, Philippine Statistics Authority na napakita po na declare ng RTC na void po yung birth registration ni Alice Guo.
Obviously, hindi to just plain clerical error. It's deliberate and malicious.
That's the conclusion po ng aming team, and also being investigated na po yan. Ano? I think may mga cases filed na ang ating National Bureau of Investigation doon sa mga personnel involved po sa
Sa civil registrar.
Sa civil registration.